guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this bag. I absolutely love it, guys. You can either use it to go on vacations, to travel, or you can use it to the gym like I do. I really love that it has a bunch of pockets, guys. It has so much storage. I mainly use it to go to the gym, but it works so well to use as a carry-on as well if you're thinking about going on vacation. Let me go ahead and show you all of its features, guys, because I absolutely love this thing. It's the best bag that I have bought up to date. Now I love that it has a bunch of pockets. First, we have this pocket right here, which we keep like gloves and things like that for the gym. And then on the side here, we have another pocket like this. We keep like ties for our hair when we go to the gym. On the side over here, we have another pocket and we just keep like a bunch of other stuff as well. In the back here, it has another zipper, and you can just store anything you want. We keep our bands because we mostly use it for the gym, me and my sister. Now on the side here, this is my favorite part, guys, because if you're thinking about taking it on vacation or if you're thinking about going to the gym as well, it has this zipper here where you can just put it in shoes. So you can put in your shoes here, and that way it will separate your shoes from your clothes. So I really love that, or your shoes from whatever it is that you put inside in the backpack. I really love this bag, guys. It has so many dimensions because you can literally put stuff everywhere. Now this is the big bag right here. So this is the big zipper. This is the main bag. So inside, as you can see, we have a bunch of stuff, guys. It is huge. Literally, we keep like our barbell pad, which is big. We keep our belt for the gym. It's huge. And then it has another zipper here where you can keep like a bunch of stuff. I keep my AirPods and things like that. But it is big, guys. I really love this bag. Also, another very nice feature that it has is that it has this big strap. Let me go ahead and put it over here. So it has this big strap, as you can see. You can adjust it to your liking and you can just carry it around. Like if you want to carry it on your shoulder, it looks very nice. I also love the material, guys, because it's this silk material. So it doesn't hurt your shoulders. It's very soft. It's very comfortable. And if you don't want this big strap and you just want to hold it like a duffel bag, like if you just want to hold it like this, all you have to do is take this strap out so you can actually take it out. Now, I love this strap, guys, because obviously I do take it to the gym, so I'm always carrying it around my shoulder. But it fits very nice. It's very comfortable. I really love it. They also have different colors that you can choose from. I wanted kind of like a neutral color with a little bit of pink on it, but they have different colors, guys, that you can choose from. I absolutely love it. I love the material. It's a very good, durable material. We have a bunch of stuff in there, and it fits it so perfectly. Also, it keeps it very tight as well, so I really like that. It's very compact. It doesn't mess up your things inside. Now, I've had like a month with it already, and it still looks brand new. It has not worn out, so I really love it, guys. It's a very beautiful bag. It's very versatile. You can use it to the gym. You can use it to go on vacation, to travel, whatever you want, because it has so much space that you can just put literally anything inside. I absolutely love it, guys, and I would definitely recommend it.